I come into IMTS on day one as a dreamer because I know that there's going to be a world of information that I'm going to get over the next 6 days that I'm going to bring back, and we're going to be able to all talk about it, and we're going to be able to move on to the next level, and we're going to be a better company for it. We have an opportunity every 24 months to come down to Chicago. I can bring my entire team down here for the whole day, and I think it's just great for them to dream big. Look at all the technologies, meet people in our industry. It brings us all together. Well, I think it helps in my vision for the company over the next 3 to 5 years because it's equipping me with new innovation and technologies in the marketplace. And it gets me excited for the future. And then all we have to do based on getting all that good information is do it. I believe that the machine tool of the future is not going to be a horizontal, it's not going to be a vertical, it's not going to be a turning center, it's going to be a universal CNC machine tool that does everything. And boy, wouldn't it be great for just to buy that one piece of equipment that does it all? It may not be as efficient, but it certainly would help a shop that does a lot of different types of machining to do it all at once, especially a low volume shop like myself. It's my responsibility and my peers' responsibility as leaders of manufacturing companies to bring in people, empower them, and make them credible and accountable for what they're going to do.
Outpace your competitors. Get armed with insight, where dreamers and doers connect.